Halo guys, gua lagi bingung dan gue milih game ini buat gue jadiin ya. Gue main game ini. Terus, oke, gue karena masih gak mau lanjutin naik duanya, gak apa-apa sih. Karena nyebelin banget kok, entar pastinya yang gerak. Ini ekspresi gue akan nyata karena gue gak mungkin buka di HP gue yang beda lagi. Senin itu mencet kuncinya ya guys, dan ini tuh
This is Ryan. I know I'm probably the last person you want to hear from. I want you to know that I didn't mean to throw all this on your shoulders. There were just a few things that came up, and I just didn't have the time for the night shift anymore. Anyway, the pity party will get you through your first night. Henry wanted me to give you a quick rundown on how everything works, so get ready. For starters, you can access the surveillance cameras on the monitor in front of you.
ya ini beda lagi. Kalau di game sebelumnya itu kayak apa ya?
Great. Here, you'll be able to monitor the entrances and the animatronic characters. Some of these cameras are pretty dark, so I ended up messing with that old flashlight system the previous owner had in the diner. I jerry indexed the camera. There should be a button on the bottom right of the screen. Why don't you give it a press? Can't tell you how many times it saved my life.
Kita terus main gitu dulu ya.
Saved my job. Okay. Well, anyway, you should also know about the power saving procedure that the building undergoes in recording hours. You'll notice lights flickering, electrical noises, and even sometimes short outages.
Naik tiga
Don't
gitu
get
gitu.
nervous when this stuff happens. It's all normal. The building will allocate more power automatically, so your lights will be back on in a couple of seconds. Sometimes certain cameras
Ini
will
itu
go dark and you'll have to
ini buat
reactivate them
begini
manually.
guys.
There's a fuse box right
Ini
behind where you're sitting.
tangannya itu
Pop
beda
it open.
buat kalian.
When you open it up, you'll see the tape I put on each switch to indicate which camera it controls. Use them to reactivate any camera that goes dark here. Not a master electrician, but the wiring will get the job done. There weren't enough switches for all of the cameras, so I only hooked up the most important ones. The remaining ones are wired up to the main breaker in the parts and service room. You won't need to worry about those. As you've seen during the day shift, the animatronics love to
Ini
stretch
kalau
their
gue
legs,
panik
even
itu
when
yang
you're
wajar
supposed
deh.
to be on.
Soalnya
We
gue
had some
belum
technical
gue masih
explanation
belum
about their movements
tahu dan
powers,
temen gue
but
tuh
I
udah
didn't pay
berani
much
main
attention.
game ini ya.
If you
Jadi
don't see them on the cameras, you can
gue
check
tuh
the
udah
hallway with a
panik ya.
flashlight. Henry and William both assured me that the animatronics were harmless, but
Kalau
just
pakai
in case,
sensor
I figured out a way to get them to leave the office. At least with the newer models, they were designed to interact with other characters. So I snatched an old Freddy headpiece from the parts and service room. Putting that on your head will trick the newer models into thinking you're one of them. Try
kita
that.
udah dulu.
It might smell good. It's pretty old.
Teneng.
Great. One more thing. You'll hear an alarm periodically once they start moving. All this means is that an animatronic turns one of the ventilation motion sensors. Alright, I think that's everything for tonight. I'm not gonna call you again. You know, with the boss breathing over my shoulder.
Ini kita udah mulai. Oh, jadi mereka itu geraknya dari sini. Jadi namanya si fungsinya belum gerak. Mas. Halo Boni. Cika. Yang Boni doang yang menurut duluan ya. Jadi mana? Cepet amat sih. Dia gak nyadar. Gua si Cika cepet banget. Bisa. Gua nih udah di lorong tadi. Oke. Oke, udah jam 1. Oh, udah sorotan ya? Oh, sini. Oh, paham. Untuk musik itu juga sini aja ya. Oke, si Boni sama kita di belakang ini. Aku lihat ah. Oh, oh, lah, oh. Ini udah jam 2 sekarang. Ini belum mereka. Oh. Wah. Ini udah mulai di sana ya. Ah, Tiffany itu kalian bisa lihat tuh mana itu kita deh. Masih doing great ya. Kita ada kalau semua boleh bilang komen ya. Ini cicikkan di tengah, itu dia satu. Ini video bakalan jadi satu cepat. Bisa 2 orang sama. Ini gue coba naik aja ya. Lalu balik lagi. Oh. Ini camnya aku taruh. Nah kan gampang guys. Asal kita fokus. Tapi karena di sini lagi kita kan, ya baru juga 2 menit ya kan. 2 menit. Karena ini udah mau ya gua akhirin aja ya karena agak sulit kalau Foxy